Are you looking to invest into the booming India economy while trying to minimize the risk in your portfolio? What if I told you that there is a way to generate stable long-term returns in the market by investing in large cap companies? So welcome back investors. Today we are going to talk about the potential of investing into the large cap stocks and introduce to you our new portfolio, which is the Right Titan portfolio, which allocates to large cap companies and can become a large portion of anybody's core portfolio. So let's start with the basics. What are large caps? Large caps technically are companies that have a market capitalization of more than 20,000 crores. These are leaders of their industries, having grown across the years, and because of the sheer size and diversification of their businesses, they end up being relatively stable and reliable. Now you must be wondering, why are large caps known to be stable? So large caps are stocks that have been there for decades. They have seen multiple business cycles, have been through various ups and downs, and have withstood many volatile times. Large caps provides additional benefits over their small and mid cap peers as well. So large cap stocks you would see typically end up paying regular dividend. Now let's look at our Right Titan portfolio and why it is made for you. We built the Right Titan portfolio to specifically take advantage of the large cap opportunity. Right Titan includes stocks selected from the top 200 universe on the Nifty. You would see mostly larger stocks in this portfolio. We use our unique blend of factor investing and risk management to create this robust portfolio. We are selecting stocks not just based on any trend metric, but we are combining the high quality and the volatility metrics of these stocks to create a much more consistent and reliable portfolio. This is a 20 to 25 stock portfolio with high growth potential, which could be an ideal portfolio for a whole wide range of investors. This portfolio is also highly diversified with a lot of strict constraints on sector allocation and stock allocation. We use a regime model that tries to forecast risk in the market using a proprietary AI technology, basis of which we sort of modulate the risk in the portfolio depending on the market condition. And we have another layer of systematic deallocation in place with this strategy, where if we see significant correction in the market, we move slightly to cash to protect your risk. Right Titan can be the ideal portfolio for everyone. If you are in a mature stage of your life, nearing retirement, you are looking at much steadier returns, you don't want to take very high risk, and Right Titan can be your significant equity allocation. If you are new to investing and you don't want to take a lot of high risk in the beginning, you could start by allocating to these high quality large cap names and build your portfolio from there. Now, even if you have a very high risk profile, you should have significant portion of your portfolio allocated to a much more stable portfolio. So while you might be doing momentum investing with a portion of your portfolio, even larger portion of your portfolio could go to a much more stable large cap portfolio like Right Titan. Now another important question: how much of your portfolio can you allocate to large cap stocks? So if you look at various financial advisors, they typically advise that your allocation across different stocks should be a function of your risk tolerance and your risk appetite. We believe this strategic allocation across defensive sectors that protect in times of volatility and the growth sectors which end up doing great in times of economic upswings provides a very good mix of stocks to have in your portfolio. And with this balanced mix of stocks, we expect very steady long-term growth from this portfolio. So if large cap investing aligns with your goal and you want to mix our expertise with the benefits of large cap investing, I think this would be a great portfolio for you. We have crafted a very good mix of risk and rewards to come up with this portfolio, which can give you greater long-term growth potential with a sense of stability. At Right Research, we are committed to help you in your investing journey and make your goals achievable.